We got live action cops at Comic-Con 2023. Thursday in the AM, late at night, past Wednesday night here. We got somebody, it looks like they went to preview night and put a few too many back, if you know what I mean. I'm thinking it's a stolen vehicle.
Dude, really?
That's my best guess. Oh man, dude. Live action cops. Yeah, it's a huge drama.
Oh, there's pedestrians.
Dude, yeah, the pedestrians are coming in.
Dude, are they Jabberwockies?
They're Jabberwockies.
Why are they getting so close?
I don't know, dude. This is creepy, but I love it.
Alright, well this was within 20 minutes of sitting in the room.
Looks like it's gonna be a wild Comic-Con, folks. Are you filming?
I am now.
B-boy.
Look at this B-boy.
B-boy.
Good morning. We just woke up.
I wish I had food to give him through this window.
I know, me too.
Hi.
He's so cute.
He's the Comic-Con harbinger, B-boy.
Oh my god, he is. He's so cute.
He's so cute. Hi.
Wow.
Hi.
Good morning.
Seagull man. Lieutenant Kirtar has come to wish us a happy Comic-Con.
Wow.
Lieutenant, how are the troops? Please tell me the war is going well. It's like I Scavies for fries. Oh, dude, he's got such soft little eyes. He seems like he's got such a kind soul.
He's a B-boy.
Yeah. The Comic-Con harbinger, Lieutenant Kirtar.
Dude, he came as soon as we rolled this window up.
Bye, Lieutenant Kirtar.
That was so special.
That was the Comic-Con harbinger, Lieutenant Kirtar.
He just went up.
Well, it was a seagull. I don't know. It may have been. I don't know.
He's going to visit other people. That's so cute. He's like Santa. He's Comic-Con Santa.
Santa, dude, Santa. We gotta be ready now. Tomorrow morning when I open these blinds, I need to have something for Lieutenant Kirtar. What do you got? What do you got?
I got blue shirts. Is this like a band?
Dude, do they all have big capital C's on? Are they Captain Crunch people? Is there like a cereal marching band?
I think I got teleported.
Make sure she doesn't
I know.
get a second one, I guess. I wouldn't have wanted to not play any of these games. That bought me.
Yeah.
Hold on, girl.
I'm good for you.
Look how cool. Look at it. Oh my god.
Wow, change up, man. Change up. Okay, that's really cute. What? Hanging!
Brickbuster. Oh, these are so neat. The big Chewbacca.
That's new. I had to go. Saw that. It's like a. Oh, dude. That's the ghost. Did you watch Rebels? No. Yeah, they're doing the giveaway at 5:30, and then we're doing just the signing of Journey with the voucher. That'll be the last giveaway for today. 5 o'clock.
Hi.
Hi.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's
a great Wookiee. That's a great
I've
Wookiee.
seen some cool stuff.
All right. There's the camera. Put up 15 seconds on the clock, all right? All right. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Woo. And hair's looking amazing, by the way. All right.
Land Express, right next to this pirate ship.
Looks like it may crash.
That's
Yeah,
bad.
That's bad.
That's bad. Wondering what this line is somewhere.
Is that there? There it is.
The Eric Andre.
Yeah. I like to meet one too. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize. That's so funny. Yeah.
Sunset, baby. The sun sets on Comic-Con 2023. Day 1, baby.
Wow.
There it goes. There it goes.
We made it.
We made it for sunset. I mean, it's pretty sweet, you know?
Beautiful.
Sunset over the water, the sailboats,
Mm.
and it's gone.
Dude,
Wow.
successful first day.
Successful first day, man. Successful
Wow.
first day, big boy. I want to see Lieutenant Kirtar right here at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, man. I'm gonna have some maybe French fries or something waiting for him.
I hope so. Highlights. Fast
highlights. Okay, so first things first, 11:45 a.m. we went to the Pokemon panel. It was the first ever Pokemon anime panel at Comic-Con. So we got the Sprigatito and the Quaxley keychains for going to the Pokemon panel
Very
and those
cool.
cool posters.
Mm-hmm.
Other highlights, I'd say, would be me demoing Exoprimal.
Mm-hmm.
We got to talk to the Capcom dude, and then you got to talk to him, and you videoed me playing.
Mm.
And probably gonna pick it up because even though it's online only, I just want to support Capcom because they're one of my favorite. Yours too, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're one of our favorite game developers and publishers.
Yeah.
So we're like, yeah, Capcom. We'll try out the Dino game. And then the other highlight is honestly riding the Star Wars Outlaws bike.
That was awesome.
All right,
Dude.
What?
Lego Brickbuster.
Okay, that
The
is like
video.
that should have been a highlight.
That that was a good one.
That should have been a highlight because they did it like a Blockbuster video
Yeah.
where the Lego like art is like VHS tapes lining the walls. That was cool.
Very cool.
That was very cool. I feel like we bought some cool stuff. Halloween 2 CD.
Mhm.
Also, look at how crescent this moon is. It is like just coming off of, I believe, being a new moon.
Wow.
Look at that.
Barely there, dude. Wow.
So it's starting to wax.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
The moon.
The moon, dude. Yeah, I mean, what else do we buy besides the Star Wars stuff? What am I forgetting? Limited run.
Yes, limited run.
Kirtar, man. We finally picked up Knights of the Old Republic.
Yeah, which was so cool that they had it there.
So cool.
It was so cool.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Drama.
Really?
No, it was a huge drama though.
Dude, it was a huge drama. Somebody down there is driving like Jar Jar Blunga.
Know what else we bought?
What?
Way overpriced Pokemon 151 Japanese set, B-boy.
How could I forget? Because I was the one that went and bought them while you held my line in Exo Primal. Dude, way overpriced, but you know what? I feel like the Comic-Con tax was worth it.
Yeah, that's how it
like,
comes out.
They're normally like probably $5 packs, right?
Yeah,
You know, they're a little more expensive than English.
yeah.
And we bought them for 10 each with no tax, remember? So that's a little bit. I don't know, yeah.
It was
we
fun.
essentially paid double.
And we're gonna open them for
We're
here.
gonna open
We're
them.
open
That's
for
what makes it
Comic-Con.
worth it.
It's the experience.
It's worth $10. It was 20 total. It's worth $10 just to be able to open the set of 151. See the art for the first time here at Comic-Con, baby boy.
Exactly, B-boy.
Exactly.
Alright, well I love you.
Love you, baby boy.
Signing out.
Lieutenant Kirtar. At ease, he says.
I didn't even see this one right here.
Speaking of territorial disputes, territorial aggression.
Yeah. They're like, get out. It's late.
Pepsi for TV game. Eddie's soldier. Morning announcement. We're gonna see if Lieutenant Kirtar comes to the window. Oh yes, it's day 2 of Comic-Con 2023, Friday. We're gonna see if Lieutenant Kirtar comes to the window when I open up these blinds. Named Lieutenant Kirtar. And we're thinking that like people feed these birds, and so they see the blinds open and they're like, action! It's action, you know. And so we're hoping he comes up here again, man.
He literally showed up yesterday to say, welcome to Comic-Con.
I mean, yeah, I was hoping he'd show up. Morning announcement, but
Makes yesterday even more special.
that's true.
Hmm.
That is true. It was him just saying hi, no ifs, ands, or buts, you know.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ciao. Just reading the paper, dear.
Mm.
Yeah, we got Tequila Bar and Grill and mango margaritas. We're back. We're gonna go eat. I hope you have a good rest of your con. They took it away. No more Nightmare Before Christmas. They took it away. I'm interviewing a sad attendee.
Oh no, we have to walk down the escalators. That's
We have to
even worse.
walk down the escalators. That sucks. They're on. Oh, B-boy. What up? What up?
Can I have my pinky out?
Maybe. Do you want it out?
I want it out, and I'm gonna grab this.
Dude, these quesadillas look so good, B-boy. Day 3, Comic-Con 2023, Saturday. We're gonna see if Lieutenant Kirtar comes like he did on day 1 when I opened these shades. Lieutenant Kirtar, we awaken.
Good morning, San Diego. It's got more people.
Yeah, maybe he's rallying the troops in other places.
Look at the ship.
Oh, dude, it looks like a pirate ship.
I think it is.
Do you think that Gimli's gonna smack Legolas and have his arrow hit one of them?
Yeah.
This is what you
look,
want me
the
to do with
train.
it. This is what you want me to do with it, right? A train?
The train.
Train.
I can't really see what's on
Purple.
it.
Adios, train.
Train.
Lieutenant Kirtar shall have healthy eggs this
Alright.
season and every season to come. That's the blessing from my belly button to him. Alright, well, that's no Lieutenant Kirtar, but he's busy rallying other troops. We've been rallied already. Signing off. We'll see if we see Lieutenant Kirtar tomorrow.
Who's that, Grandpa?
Oh, yeah, that's effective.
Grandpa, look, there's a samurai guy.
Dude, this is sick. Wow.
Maximum carnage, dude.
Maximum carnage. Wow.
Buy the figures while they're hot.
Buy the figures while
See what it's gonna be? Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Not like that.
Not gonna count.
So cool.
So
How much
cool.
is that one? That one's 1200.
Yeah.
Wow. These are so cool.
Yeah, the Ultron. I don't know what this is.
Yeah. I can't tell. Cool.
Yeah. B-boy, 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 dun 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 dun. Yeah, B-boy. Impossible burger, fries, chips, guac, salsa, mushroom, spinach, red onion pizza.
Pizza.
Din time.
Din time.
Oh. Lieutenant Kirtar. Day 4, San Diego Comic-Con 2023. Will Lieutenant Kirtar appear when we open the blinds? The moment of truth.
Good morning.
Money.
Dude, he for real only showed up on the first day.
Yep.
But he did give you a secret message yesterday while we were walking on the boardwalk.
Yeah, we were walking on the boardwalk thing. Lieutenant Kirtar landed right there. And he told me at dusk on the 4th day of San Diego Comic-Con to look to the sunset. I'm just like, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We shall see what that means.
Look to the sunset at dusk.
We out here.
We out here. Lieutenant Kirtar has rallied so many troops, and we out here. We are out here like his pigmen. And I can't wait to find out what happens at sunset.
Same. Love you, B-boy.
Love you, B-boy. Signing out. Choose your champion.
What are you choosing? What are you choosing? I'm choosing this one. This one. Did you choose that? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe you just did that.
Dude.
I can't believe you just did that. Look at your shirt. Oh yeah, we're taking our recycling down, but look at your shirt. So cool.
Volvagia led me to the correct elevator. San Diego Comic-Con Day 4, baby. What's up? 2023. Hi. This is like a first for us, right? In 4 years?
Yeah.
Even if it's just a small drizzle, rain at Comic-Con?
It's totally raining.
Yeah. B-boy. Hi.
I love Cell's shell.
Cell shell. Oh, me too. Cell shell.
Obviously, this is like the Dragon Balls.
Yeah, the Dragon Balls. Honestly, out of these 5, like, I love all of them. I agree. I think my favorite just has to be the Dragon Balls, though.
Yeah.
And then for like series 2, man, I don't know. There's a lot of good ones here. Trunks' sword is awesome, and like the Deborah cookie is like hilarious. But I feel like, and of course, like I feel like the Scouters are awesome. I mean, but I think that just like jar full of Senzu beans is my favorite.
That's what I was gonna say too. I do feel like I like series 1 better overall.
Yeah, it's probably why it's series 1.
True.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like, you know, the Dragon Balls and the jar full of Senzu beans just feels like the power items.
Good point. Yeah. Power items.
What?
The power items.
The power items.
Only at Walmart, only at Target. Those are fun packages.
I know, I liked the other little ones too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's funny, yeah, that like, they have exclusives to these stores.
Yeah.
Walmart, Target.
I like their metallic hair.
Yeah. The shine is awesome, yeah. Not as big a fan of these.
Yeah.
They kind of went like pop with it or something.
The hair is huge.
Yeah, the hair is huge, but the heads are huge. I think that's, I mean, I guess it's, yeah, both of that is my problem. I don't know.
They're fun.
Yeah.
Not for us.
Not for us.
Big Evie.
Cool, dude. Fistful of boomstick. It's that guy from Fistful of Boomstick. I love that game.
but I have a feeling it's probably going to be in the next
Lock your ways, stand to see. Let music on imaginations. Thank you for joining the Ghana Hope Foundation.
She was looking right at you.
It's because I'm wearing a shirt.
Yep, that's why.
That's why.
Dude, they have like Tripredicus, so they still have some beast dwarves, but yeah, they like switched them to like trans metals since last time. Yeah.
I think probably Voyager's the most realistic. I wouldn't hate a leader class. I think proportions wouldn't look great in a leader class. I think his proportions, that kind of roundedness, would probably look the best at a Voyager. I would probably would have.
So this is still similar. Dude, that's similar to what I was saying I got. How Megatron used to be like a crocodile.
Yeah.
And Optimus Primal was a bat.
Yeah.
But the colors are different. He was green, and the one I got was an English version. Megatron was green and Optimus Primal was purple, like light purple. So like I never had this one, but I had that.
So cool.
Or have that.
That's so funny that you switched stuff out.
Yeah.
We have more we want to show.
Yeah.
Look at the little morphers. They're so cute.
Oh, so cool, dude. So cute.
Yeah, read her post. That's great.
Dude, she's in a state right now, as she usually was.
Look at straight down. Next shelf. Down.
Oh.
Well, yeah, that's exactly what I'm showing you. It's just her face on there.
She's happy now. Something went right. Lots of putties. Dude, this is like Power Rangers Elden Ring.
Yeah, totally.
Megazord and Dragonzord play ping pong. And then fucking Forrest Gump shows up.
Well, we're not him.
Huh?
We met him.
We met Zach, dude. And I was Bad Tommy, dude. We met Zach. Here we go.
Yeah, I think they're letting us down.
We'll go Power Rangers. Yeah. It's Morphin time. It's Morphin time. Oh, dude. Sentinel's going down. Down, down, down. Sentinel's going down. Down, down, down.
These are cool toys.
These are cool toys.
So these, this is for 97. So
They're doing it. Well, we're gonna be getting some stocking stuffers, aren't we, bub? Huh?
baby Groots.
Baby Groots. Baby Groots. Look, he found a B-boy.
Oh, I didn't even see that here on the other side. I was busy
Whoa. Welcome to die. Average stocking size height.
quite average.
the camera. Oh my god, dude! You want to say hi again? I want to get your reactionary thoughts on what just happened right now on the exhibit hall, Comic-Con 2023, day 4.
Dude, I mean, we saw the OneRing.net booth and I was like, that's Jed Brophy standing there. And we saw the panel yesterday. I got a picture with the 5 of them, but he's doing signed pictures and asked us if we wanted a picture with him. And we got to take a picture with him and tell him how awesome we think he is. So cool.
Woohoo! Panel was 2 days ago, just correction, but I wanted to let you finish your speech. Dude, B-boy.
Let's get this safe.
Dude, these guys.
I'm glad we got to meet up. Everything how you
They might even start that line at 1990.
Like, I don't feel like Ford, that's a sickness for me right there.
Thank you for attending Comic-Con International 2023. We hope you all have a wonderful time, and we'll see you next year.
Dude, we looked to the west at sunset, at dusk, on the 4th day of Comic-Con 2023, and Lieutenant Kirtar got married and had a honeymoon, and now all the gulls are flying in. The troops have been rallied. Lieutenant Kirtar is retiring. It's a retirement party. Peace. He wants to live a life of peace now, dude. The war is won. Thanks for the adventures, Lieutenant. We salute you. All right, everybody. Monday after Comic-Con, we're gonna see if Lieutenant Kirtar has any final words.
Guess guess that was it.
Once we were rallied, we were rallied. He's just busy getting the troops, but now he's busy with his lovely bride. Lieutenant Kirtar, thank you for being our fearless leader, welcoming us to Comic-Con 2023 and rallying us to the good fight, the cause, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and may we one day be rallied by you again. We got a flyby, and we got decorated with medals by Lieutenant Kirtar for our service. And he perched and then flew away. Relationships are about compromise because his lovely bride wanted to perch, and there she is. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Lieutenant Kirtar. What a bird. Lieutenant Kirtar's fry.
Yep.
I had to make sure he could find it. He told me, leave it where I first set foot on the ground.
Wow.
And I knew where that was. His nest was up there, and when he was a fledgling, he ended up right down there. So that's his like first experience being on the ground of the planet Earth. And so he's gonna get that fry, and hopefully it will fuel the war. All right, you ready to go?
Yeah. Love you.
Love you, big boy.
Oh man, they're taking it down.
We're taking it down.
It's always sad to see everything come down.
I know.
DBZ
Dude.
still up.
DBZ's still up, yes. Dude, Comic-Con 2023, we're gonna do the stretch here.
They took off the wraps already.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but Baja California, dude. BAJA.
They're very eager.
Very eager to get those stickers off their trains.
Some people seem to love it.
I do.
It being Comic-Con happening here. I mean,
Oh yeah.
locals and people who work here.
And then others, like, this is bullshit.
Yeah.
They're
Like,
waiting for
I'm
this to be
so
over.
done with this.
Yeah. There it is.
Wow.
San Diego Comic-Con, baby. Convention Center. Adios, amigos. Dude, it's so cute.
like top.
It's not a mystery anymore. It's not a mystery anymore. Hope you got that joke on stage.
Here's my boss.
The Hawaiian shirt.
It really is.
Pigman, dude. So cute. Pigman! Dude, I love the Pigman cosplays we've seen this weekend. I'm on your right now.
We have a winner. Right over here. I do want to remind you guys something. Those waist jackets are 20% off for the next 21 minutes. Come over here. $206. Look, have you guys been selling? We've been selling. Thank you guys. That is not right. You've been pushed, you've been shoved, you get a toy. You're welcome. Alright, we have 2 more things to give away, and that is it. And then you guys can go enjoy. This is a Spider-Man pocket watch. 2 more things.
All the way back here. Oh my god.
Never gonna get that.
Oh, guy up.
The last item to give away. Captain America! I want to thank you guys. You made our return to Santa Barbara amazing. Give me some round of applause. Thank you. Give it up for our team. We're doing great. Our partners. Thank you for doing all of our shut down. And we're on the live team for bringing a great stage presence. So I want to give a man who understands how fun this goes.
Dragon friends when they see a priest.
hard to that wall as we can.